Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Epic Gamer King YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every PlayStation owner can relate to, that annoying loud fan noise. Why is it so loud, and what can we do about it? Stick around for some tips and tricks to help you out. In case you missed it, I uploaded a video yesterday with some recommended solutions for the fan noise issue. However, after reading your comments, I realized there was a lot more to cover. So let's get into the real reason why your PlayStation fan is so loud and what you can do about it. First off, let's talk about hardware. The PlayStation 4, especially the original launch edition, is at the end of its life cycle. Newer games are pushing the console to its performance limits. When this happens, the cooling system has to work overtime to regulate the temperature. Without that loud fan, the system would overheat and shut down. Unlike PCs, you can't upgrade the cooling fans, graphics card, or processor in a gaming console. This is why companies like Sony and Microsoft release mid-cycle performance editions like the PS4 Pro and Xbox One X. If you look at the latest PS4 Pro model, the 7200 series, it runs much quieter. Take a listen. Now, let's talk solutions. The key is prevention rather than cure. Here are a few tips to help keep that fan noise down. Tip number 1, keep your fans clean. Use an air duster once a week to prevent dust from getting sucked into the system. This will save you from having to take apart your console to clean it later. Keeping the fans clean ensures better airflow and less strain on the cooling system. Tip number 2, make sure your console has proper ventilation. Keep it in an open area with plenty of space behind it. Avoid closed media cabinets or TV stands that restrict airflow. Proper ventilation allows the heat to escape, reducing the workload on your fans. Tip number 3, be mindful of your room temperature. Believe it or not, the ambient temperature affects your console's performance. Some people even use air conditioning to keep their room cool. A cooler room helps your console stay cooler too. Tip number 4, stay away from external cooling devices. They don't work and can add more noise without solving the problem. Stick to internal maintenance and good practices. If all else fails, invest in a good headset or use earbuds with your controller. This might sound silly, but it actually works. You won't even notice the fan noise.